Alright, I got a package, got my PC boards. Let's take a look. I got the obligatory magnifying glass again. This one's a red one. Did I get a red one last time? No, I got an orange one last time, so now I have an orange and a red. Goes over there. Alright. So, what did we get? Oh, where's my knife? Must have carried it up. We'll grab another one here. Packaging is a little bit different this time. Usually they're vacuum packed, and this one's just kind of, you know, a loose bag. But here they are. I've never move the camera here a bit. I've never made black PC boards before, so yeah, they're real matte black. They're not shiny. Regular PC board, so you can see that glint off of the lights. This board doesn't glint. It's a very, very matte solder mask. Looks kind of cool, actually. I like it. Our display is going to go. Let's see, where's pin 1? Pin 1's over here. Our display is going to go on like that. Oops. Oh man, I'm sorry, my camera moved. Oh, let me back up here. I have a new fluid head for my videoing, and it's not quite locked down right. There we go. Sorry about that. Alright, so the display will go here. There'll be buttons here, and then the Arduino Nano will go over there. And then here's the box. I put a power connector on the back, a 3.5mm connector. Here's some power and ground coming out on some wires. And then, hopefully, our board is exactly the right size. And it appears so. Yeah, the holes line up. So, very nice. So I think that'll be kind of cool. I mean, everything's kind of on the surface, so it's not production ready or anything like that. But for something for like garage equipment and stuff, I think it's great. It'll be a nice little front panel that I can run all kinds of stuff on. Like I said before, by using these serial shift registers, I'm only using 4 lines out of the Arduino, so certainly have lots left over to do all kinds of crazy stuff. And the way that I envisioned this is this particular pin out here, I'll put a connector on this side, and then I can have like a ribbon cable go off to the other board that's inside the box here. And you can see that this box is sort of laid out for a 10 centimeter board, 100mm board. So you could actually have a board that slides in, and you can actually have a couple of them. There's a couple, 1, 2, 3, so you could actually have 3 other boards mount quite easily into here, one on top of the other. So yeah, let's get this board loaded up and see if it actually works or not. I think I was pretty haphazard about the serial section here. I kind of copied another design. I didn't really think it through. I just kind of copied it, so hopefully I did it right the last time. And this section all works here. Again, it's just a serial shift register. It outputs 16 lines, and those 16 lines go to the display to operate the display. And then I'm using 8 of those lines also to do a scan of the 8 switches that I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. All right, let's get it loaded up. Let me zoom in here to give you a closer view of the boards. Like I say, they don't shine very much, which is kind of nice. And back side looks pretty nice. I probably should have put a silk screen on the back labeling that connector, but yeah. All right, under the microscope I've placed the, that's a little bright, isn't it? I've placed the surface mount parts, the two shift registers, bypass caps. So we'll go ahead and put that in the oven. All right, I think it looks pretty sharp. We have some buttons. We have an 8-digit display. So we have up, down, left, right, enter. There's 3 other ones, maybe like menu, reset, I don't know, something else. And our little Arduino Nano sitting there. And it doesn't stick up very far. Actually, it's pretty good that way. So yeah, I think this will be a really nice little platform for projects. I guess the next step is I have to figure out how to write a program for this thing. I'll have to convert the program that I had to shift out serial data, and then I'll have to invent something to read the keys. That shouldn't be too hard, but yeah, on to software.